In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Photos to OneDrive. To get started, open Microsoft OneDrive in your web browser and sign in to your account. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving on, because the import option is located inside your OneDrive settings. Once you're in OneDrive, look to the top right corner of the page and click the gear icon. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This will open the area where OneDrive lets you manage connected features and import options. Inside Settings, go to the left-hand panel and select Import Cloud Photos and Files. In that section, choose the option to import from Google Photos and then click Import Photos. A new tab will open and take you to your Google account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in there first so you can continue the transfer process. You'll then be guided through a 3-step setup. On the first step, click Continue. Google will show you the type of access Google Takeout will need in order to move a copy of your photos. Review the information, then click Continue again and wait for the page to refresh. Next, you'll be asked to choose the third-party service where you want to send your copy. Click the drop-down menu and select Microsoft OneDrive, then click Continue. After the page reloads, you may be prompted to sign in to your OneDrive account again. If that happens, enter your sign-in information and complete any verification steps shown on screen. This extra sign-in is normal and helps confirm that Google has permission to send the files to the correct OneDrive account. After that, Microsoft will ask whether you want to allow Google Takeout to access your OneDrive. Click Accept, then wait for the page to reload once more. When you return to the Google Transfer page, click Agree and continue for step 3. This confirms the export request and officially starts the transfer. At this point, you should see a message showing that the export is in progress. Now all you need to do is wait. Depending on how many photos you have, this can take quite a while. So don't worry if it doesn't finish right away. You'll receive an email notification once the transfer is complete, which makes it easy to know when everything is done without having to keep checking the page. And that's it. Your Google Photos export to OneDrive has been set up successfully.